How to limit comments on TikTok. So all you have to do is to go here directly to your TikTok application here, and of course it will lead you here to your home page where you can see all the posts that you can see. Now on the bottom part you will see five different options there. You can choose home, shop, plus icon there, inbox, and profile. What I want you to do is to tap on your profile here, and then on the upper right you will see three dash lines there, or the burger icon. Just have to tap on that and tap on settings and privacy. So under settings and privacy, you will see a lot of options here. Now, I want you to focus on the account section there, and then under account section there are five options such as account, privacy, security, balance, and share profile. I want you to tap on privacy, and then here on privacy, tap on under interactions, tap on comments. And as you can see here, I have set comments there to everyone. So to be able to limit comments, you can actually set it to only those who followers you follow back, basically your friends, or you can set it to no one. But since we want to limit our comments, I just set it to followers that you follow back. And here you can filter all comments. So recent comments on your video will be hidden unless you approve them. So you can tap on that, and basically that is how you limit comments on TikTok, and that is all for today. So if this video helped you, please give us some thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching.